Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play Operations single player on PS5 in Space Marine 2. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important stuff. Unfortunately, as of now there is not any direct option to play Space Marine 2 Operations mode solo on PS5. The game is primarily designed for cooperative gameplay and starting an operation usually put you in a match with other players. But you have few options to consider. First, disconnect from the internet. Disable Wi-Fi. Go to your PS5 settings and disable your Wi-Fi connection. Then remove Ethernet cable. If you are using an Ethernet cable, unplug it from your console. Secondly, launch Space Marine 2. Start the game while disconnected from the internet. Third, select an operation. Choose the operation you want to play. Since you are offline, the game will fill your team with AI companions, allowing you to play solo. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.